up, boys? It's the intro to the intro. What the hell is going on here?
He doesn't fucking like EKs, so this is for all the guys that got EKs.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? He just did to my hair, bro. My boy got a Hulk Hogan cut. Should've never said you ain't like EKs, bro. Yo, he said he ain't like EKs. I don't know what the fuck is going on here, but let's get into this video. What up, boys? Get fucking hyped. We bought a fucking sleeper today. Like, the ultimate fucking sleeper. You guys see this car. You would never, ever think anything was done to this car. I'm gonna turn the camera in a second, but I need you guys to drop in the comments after you see the car whether you thought it was a sleeper and what kind of swap you think the car has or obviously has in it before you see it. Pretty sure you guys are gonna fast forward to the middle of the video or whatever, but I'm gonna give you guys a full walk around the car, engine bay, interior, just to show you guys what sleeper actually means. And we'll get into it. We'll do some burnouts, do a couple rips on the street, just so you guys can see like how how fast the car is and how much of a sleeper it is. This shit fucks. So well, I'll put my brother on real quick before I show you guys the car. What'd you think?
I like it. As you guys know, we try to pick certain cars to buy, like solid cars when we buy cars, but go ahead, show them the car. As a lot of people do know, black EK hatches are hard to find.
So before I get started, original paint EK hatch?
Yes, come check it out.
Bone style.
Alright,
let's start from the back. Okay.
Look at the fucking quarter panels, right? It still has a rubber. Solid quarters.
Stock. Nothing been painted. They got the original pinstripe on here. Black. Remember, guys, black EK hatch, super hard to get. I'll show you. The car has a little bit of flaws. The back bumper has a little bit of stings on it. It's black. So check this out. Only thing that maybe kind of gives it away from being a sleeper is the exhaust. But underneath, stock control arms. You guys see the exhaust? Got the back factory cargo cover here.
My second favorite part, but it probably doesn't mean shit anymore because obviously it's a sleeper now. It's got a swap in it, but...
Hold on, I need to get better. Oh, man.
So key thing when buying a car, right? Regardless of how to swap in it or not, or whatever the case is before. Like, swap car obviously doesn't really matter, but this is a perfect example car to buy. Like, when you're buying a car, the car that's well documented, especially serviced out Honda's entire life. It's a down, what is it? What is this car come from? Cali or down south?
Actually this car came from Washington State. It came just like this. We didn't do any work to it, but we're gonna do a lot of work to it. We're not gonna keep it a sleeper because sleepers are fun and shit, like if you drive them around, but we got a lot of plans for this car. The car came from Washington State. Anybody always asks me, how do I find the cars or whatever? I was literally on Instagram when I found this, and literally 20 minutes and I bought the car. I seen it online, a few people tagged me and I bought it instantly without even seeing it. So do a quick walk around the car. The car is super clean. It's a DX Civic hatchback. No rust in the quarter panel. Has original rubber, stock Steelies, 14-inch hubcaps. This car, I'll do a quick side view for you guys. I'll do the interior before we pop the hood. So also drop in the comments. My brother has Denji, like the retrofitted headlights he wants to put on here. I'm going CTR style headlights, but I'll show you guys the headlights also.
These are like a CTR.
There's a CTR style headlight with the retrofit. Those, we put them in there. It didn't come with the car, but I don't like them. Me personally, I don't like them.
So they're gunmetal, like the Type R's with a projector in it and an HID.
I like the shit with no projector, but some people have different tastes. So let us know what you guys think.
It's different, but
let's show
I do like the CTR style headlight.
Let's show them the interior first. It needs to be dirty. Yeah, it's dirty. We didn't clean it. The car literally just came like this. Sorry, it's super sunny out, but has the stock center console. That looks super factory. You can't even tell. I bet you guys probably think you guys.
It's just all dirt too, by the way, so it'll come off.
When the car first came here, did you think this shit had a swap in it?
No. Everybody that comes to the shop keeps thinking it's a bone stock car and want to buy it, but
do me a favor before we open the hood, right? Well, I'll start it up. I'm gonna put the camera back here. It's super quiet too. This is a true definition of a sleeper. quiet. Alright, he might have gave it away by revving it. Cause I know the sound, you know the sound.
You already know, we don't buy fucking B series cars, so.
And this shit's not no motherfucking H series. Let's check this shit out. Goddamn. Alright. This is probably the cleanest stock engine bay car that I've probably ever bought. It's not like all brand new because the car is probably, I don't even know how many miles. I think I was like 110, 120 on it. But check this out.
You can, like I said, you can tell like the build, like we're building cars, spent money on the car. First off, you have a Honda battery, which a lot of people don't even, they buy auto-owned batteries, but this has a Honda battery.
I like how they did the fuel pressure regulators tucked.
So it's got a hybrid fuel pressure regulator.
You guys see the proportion valve looks still pretty new. Clutch line's pretty nice, like how they got it ran. I like the intake that they made.
You got a lot of name brand parts, hybrid radiator, passport mounts,
hybrid cables,
hybrid fuel rail, cables, got a nice harness. Got a lot of nice parts, nice. But if I can, you know, clean the stuff up, clean the hoses up, clean the harness up, like make it look cleaner.
Got a nice header on there too. This car is nice,
but this is a nice car though.
This car is nice. The car has a full K20 swap in here. It's just pretty quick. We're gonna take you guys around the block.
And look, matching VINs, baby.
Oh, this is my, yeah, that is though. So VIN here, VIN everywhere. The VIN's right there, you guys. And then the VIN there has all the VINs on the doors, VINs on the trunk, literally every panel here. It's a black EK hatch, has a decent amount of miles, but can't complain.
And the engine bay, you guys see, all original paint. There's no rust. You need to find the riders or somewhere to towers, stuff like that.
Let me give you guys a quick walk around. I'm gonna take it a little slow for you guys so you guys can check it out. That's a brake booster AN line. That shit is nice as hell. Check this out.
Maybe ask them too, like, what color valve cover do you guys like the gray? I kind of like the gray, but
valve cover.
You guys want to see a different color valve cover on here?
I like yellow. I think the yellow's been growing on me lately.
You're doing a lot of yellow though, and I think they feel the same way. So,
all right, quick one last time through here. Guys, so now check this out. Motherfucking sleeper.
So what do we do? What do we do with the cars when we get them? What's the first thing we do?
First thing we do, guys, is burnouts. But let me go get the boys before we do a burnout. I'm gonna give you guys a quick once over the car one more time before we terrorize the car, I guess. So I know you guys want to see that shit.
And the best part is it's got LSD.
Oh, it does. You did a one-legger before, right?
Yeah.
2-tire fire.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna go grab the boys real quick so they can see a burnout. Nice day out today. We'll get them out of the shop. Fucking, I don't even think he's gonna do a third gear, bro.
Yo, now I'll put you on the water.
Yeah, Kev look weird. Yeah, man, you gotta make this tradition. Boy got some water.
Come up. Come up.
Here, Kev, you think he's gonna do a third gear burnout?
Hell yeah, baby.
I don't think he's gonna do that third gear, bro.
Did you make that bet with me or no?
I didn't think it was gonna do that.
Come on, bro.
I didn't think it was gonna do that.
Yo, that shit ain't.
Yo, that shit's sticky. Oh my god.
This thing could do fourth gear burnout probably.
Nah. RIP to that clutch.
Nah, this shit got a good clutch in.
Yo, look at all the tire. Fucking J-Rock said third gear burnouts. I'm at just full send. Look how much rubber's on the floor. That shit is hot.
Bro, the fucking needle probably say like 80 miles an hour.
RIP to these. The tires are gone.
They got more meat.
Yo, this thing rips tires, bro.
Alright, boys. Now we're taking a ride in EK hatch. We're gonna full send whatever this car got about to send it. Let's give the fucking people what they want.
What do the people want?
The people want to see an actual, like, fully beat on it. K-Series car. Show them why you built it. Oh! and again, I stress to you guys, this is why we build K-Series cars. And mind you, this is just a K20. We had a 2.4, it should be a lot more fun.
I mean, For a car, this car probably makes like somewhere like 220. I mean, if you guys see, right, when these cars are built, or any car that's a K-Series car with 220 horsepower, no matter what it is, it always puts a smile on our faces, but it never gets old. It never gets old.
It never gets old, so that means let's do more rips. I want to see another burnout. That burnout was fucking epic. It was probably the best burnout that we did at the shop so far. What are you about to do?
You want to see a burnout? Second gear burnout?
Second gear burnout? Fuck it. Fucking send it!
That was a long ass burnout.
Yeah, that shit was great. Especially with the steel. Oh my god, you've been beating on this shit like it's a stove. I swear, if you guys are watching and you don't have a K car, go out and buy one today. Yo, can we get another 1-2 for the boys?
We will, but first we have to stop somewhere. We have a rivalry going on, right? So there's a shop down the street from us here locally. These guys have a bunch of Hellcats. We're cool, we're all boys and stuff, we just do it for fun, but they got a group of Hellcats and they always come by our shop and they always do passes in front of our shop. So now I'm gonna go return this pass to them.
Let's go return the fucking favor.
Hopefully they're outside.
Yeah, you gotta fucking rip it. Like I don't know if you're gonna be able to do the same burnout because the tires are sticky right now, but fucking rip it in front of their shop. I guess these guys got lucky, huh?
Not outside, but I'm still gonna send it.
Fuck it.
They're gonna still watch this video, so.
Their shop's right there, but fuck it, just send it anyways, because they do that shit in front of our shop. There's a car behind us.
Fuck it.
Who gives a fuck?
Send it, full send.
Yo, I don't even know if I want to do anything to this car. We should keep this shit for the shop beater. Even though it's not a beater, but
yeah,
damn.
we should leave this car like this for a little while. Just have a lot of fun in it.
What do you mean? We already gotta buy tires unless we rotate the tires now.
Yeah, just rotate them to the front.
Yo, fuck it, before we go back to the shop, we need to see a 1-2 for the boys. One last one, alright? Before we get back.
From a dig?
Yeah, do it from a dig, fuck it. Fuck it, just do it right here. Just do a 1-2. Let's fucking go, full send it. Oh my god. This car is so much fun to drive.
This is a VTEC though.
That thing sounds good. This shit got a really nice intake.
Got a nice intake and you got a really nice header too.
Alright, so we just got back to the shop. Give you guys a quick walk around. Yo, I don't think we should touch it. Don't think you should touch. The car looks different inside here than it did outside. This car looks fresh.
You gotta get a PDR guy, clean it up a little bit, got small things. I really don't want to paint this car because it's original paint.
What's the goal? What's the plan for the car?
So we have an original OEM SI lip. We have an OEM SI grill. We have a nice set of brand new coilovers, control arms they're gonna put on here.
What about wheel set? Are you gonna let YouTube pick the wheels or are you gonna pick the wheels?
You can let them pick. I mean, what kind of wheels they want to see on the car.
I think black spoons.
Yeah, black slips or something.
We did a lot of TEs already. So
We haven't done a black on black car. I like black.
This
on
is
black.
probably, I think we're our second black EK hatch now.
What I really wanted to buy was a first molding carbon lip. If anybody has one for sale, hit me up. That's what I originally wanted to do to this car, the carbon lip and mirrors and a spoiler, but I can't find that lip for nothing. So for now, you can put the SI lip on the car and just leave it.
All right, so I'll show you guys the car one more time. We're gonna plan to put the CTR headlights or whatever, the one with the projectors in. We have an OEM SI black grille we found, black SI front lip. We're gonna lower it. We got mud guards. It has the mud guards in the back. We're gonna put them on the front. I think we have teen or D2. What is it, teens or D2s?
I think we got teen coilovers. And then the front lip, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna actually do it like in a trim black to match the flat black of the side skirts and the moldings.
Yeah, and what about the interior staying the same? I wouldn't even touch it. This thing's a sleeper.
Honestly, it's clean.
I would
It's
just
actually super clean. Look at the seat over there, especially the driver's seat. Usually they're torn over there.
I would
just leave it.
I
like
would
sleeper
keep it.
status.
I would keep it with the stock shift knob and then get some like OEM mats and just detail the interior.
What
Call
would
it a
really
day.
set it off is a stock radio, if we can find a stock radio.
This thing is full sleeper status. I'll give you guys a quick walk around the car one more time while it's inside the shop so you guys could like actually see it. I already know the most comments you're getting. People are gonna be like, "Oh, where'd you guys get it? How do you find these cars?"
The thing is, right, I'll tell you guys one thing, right? A lot of people always say, how do you guys find these cars? One, we've been doing this for so long that people know, like, they usually hit us up before they even post a car for sale. That's one way. Another way is, if you're following somebody that has a nice car and you like it and you think you want to buy the car, right? Just send them a message, be like, hey man, I like your car or whatever. Are you interested in selling it? Most of the time they're gonna say no, and then you're gonna ask them, hey, what's your sell it now? Like, what would you let it go? Like, your let it go price, right? And most of the time these people have a let it go price. The same way how we got the green car and the blue car, right? These are just people that we always like, hey, you wanna get rid of your car? I'll buy it. Like, let me know, I'm serious. And don't be one of those guys where like, you hit them up and you wanna buy their car, but you don't have the money to buy it. You know, don't waste your time and don't waste their time either. Be serious, you know? Like, it doesn't hurt to ask. Worst case scenario, they're just gonna say no, you know? So that's one way. Follow like a lot of these bigger Facebook groups or Instagram pages like K20A
or
NWP. A lot of stuff pops up on those sites and they're really nice cars. And as soon as you see something, the thing is these cars go so fast. So you just have to be on it and be ready to buy something.
Just like this, I kid you not, 20 minutes.
20 minutes. And we missed a lot of cars too, you know, just not being online, but.
All right, so guys, that's the plan for the car. We're gonna lower it, front lip, grill, headlights, front mud guards. I don't know what we're gonna do with mirrors. Interior might stay the same, get some floor mats. Basically just clean the car up, make it look good, because the car still is a factory car, so.
Definitely take this bench strap off.
These tires are toast. We might need some new tires too. These tires, they're gone. They were brand new before.
Or should we put some 15-inch steelies with a radial on here? Now that's sleeper.
You should do some 13-inch steelies like the EGs, but this car comes already on 14s. So.
No, if you could put like a nice toy or something on a 15-inch steely.
Yeah, Kev, you still hate EKs?
Yeah.
Alright boys, drop in the comments what wheels you think we should put on here. I'm gonna end this video here. I'll start the next video for this car once we start lowering it, the lip and all that stuff. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.